Hello, Ruslan from DollarDeploy here. I would like to show you how it's easy to run your NextJS app on your own server. With DollarDeploy, you can deploy it in minutes and you don't need to manage any Docker files. DollarDeploy allows you to deploy apps to your own servers. Similar to Vercel and Netlify, we provide you with easy-to-use experience, but you can use your own server. You are not locked to one vendor of one server, or serverless architecture, which can give you a runaway cost much more expensive than just a one server. So we have all the things you would expect on this platform. You can deploy from GitHub to production, just push GitHub push, and it will deploy everything. You can use any server. We also have integration with DigitalOcean, with Kestner and DataCrunch, but you can bring your own server, your existing one, or create your own at the DollarDeploy platform. And we have SSL HTTPS certificates automatically created and renewed. We handle logs, we handle monitoring of your server, and you don't need to use Docker to deploy your apps. And finally, we have AI agent and MCP server integration. You can use $deploy just by chatting with AI agent, and you can use any language you want, not just English. And of course, we deploy different repositories. We can work with NextJS, we can work with Go, Rust, Java, so any kind of app you have. And additionally, if your app doesn't support it directly, you can use Docker Compose to deploy it. So let's go ahead and create new app with Next.js and deploy to DigitalOcean server using $deploy. So I create a new app on the terminal. Test $deploy. Use recommended defaults. Okay, let's go to the folder. Let's do some customizations with cursor. Let's go and just change a page. So get started, edit the page TSX file. Let's do exactly that. Deploying this app with $deploy for my server. Yeah, that's it. Let's just add up to the source code. So now we need to configure the GitHub repository for that. Let's just go create a new repository. So let's make a test the public. It should be empty. Push into this GitHub repo, our like local repository, local code. Okay, let's check it out. It should be here. So now we can deploy. We can deploy it from GitHub to DollarDeploy. We already have a set up the account on DollarDeploy. We have bought some access, trial access, and first we need to create a server. And we go and you can configure your own server, or you can create a new one automatically. For example, with DigitalOcean. This example, we don't need a big server, but we just choose a little bit a bigger one. We will try more templates in that host, and we are using the SSH key we already have. So that's it. And now I will create a host that would be created on the DigitalOcean side. Let's create the host. We will configure services on that host. We don't need the database right now, but we can create a $deploy agent and we will configure firewall to protect our server. You can read more about these services in our documentation. Let's just wait for the host to be created. Yeah, it was created in 30 seconds. That's it. Now we can test connection to that. Yeah, okay, it's ready to be prepared. Let's prepare this server. It's not needed if you want to deploy app. First, before we creating an app in GitHub, we will need to go to GitHub and connect our DollarDeploy account with GitHub. I have it already here. I can do it again. Go to GitHub, press connect, and add all repositories here. So now I'm back. I only have one repository. So I go and create an app. I select my Ruslan Fin test DD repository and continue. Select our server. We just use a default custom domain name auto-generated by DollarDeploy. And we go next. DollarDeploy AI allows you to fetch some suggestions based on the repository structure. These detected automatically as NextJS, the source branch, bind port, everything, and environment variables if needed. We actually don't need to change anything for this template. This is all should be completely automatic. Let's go save that up. Wait for the host to be prepared. Okay, host prepared successfully, and let's try to deploy that app. So first, DollarDeploy will build this app. For this, we use our own server. We don't build on your server because it can be too small to build bigger Next.js or React apps. After that app is built, we deliver that build to the server what you have. Now we are deploying this app. The building took 23 seconds, and now we're deploying the app to the to our host name that we created selected. We do the HTTPS certificate, and we'll copy the files and create Node.js, everything. Okay, let's wait. Okay, app deployed successfully. Let's go and check it out. Okay, yeah, that works perfectly. So we have in this app running, the HTTPS is configured, server is configured, and the app is here, and our message being changed properly. That's it. Basically, it's two-step thing. You create a server, you might have existing in DollarDeploy already, and then you deploy your app to that server. You can deploy multiple apps to one server, so that makes it flexible as you do. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this. Go ahead and try DollarDeploy.